We are at Pullen Pond in Skagway, and there's a few salmon and Dolly Varden Char that are come up the creek and into the pond, and so we're gonna see if we can catch a couple. Here we go. So in a previous video we cured up these salmon eggs, and now we're here at Pullen Pond in Skagway, and I said I would show you the egg loop hook. So these clumps of eggs we put on the hook, and then the way it's tied, there's a loop that you can put under there, and then you cinch it up. And so as you can see, the egg sits there, and then we're gonna drift that in the water. And right now there's some salmon, few, but it's mostly Dolly Varden Char, but they eat all the salmon eggs too. So we're gonna see what happens here. All right, just caught this tiny little Dolly Varden Char. All right, Luke's got something. Doesn't look very big, but oh, Dolly. It's all right. Oh no, it's a nice Dolly.
It's actually really good.
Yeah, it's a great little Dolly. Yeah, keep her Dolly. Really nice one.
Sweet.
Here, let me get the pliers here.
Yeah.
All right, Luke caught himself a Dolly Varden Char. Just washing him off, and he's a keeper. He's gonna be dinner. Let's have a look, Luke. Beauty. See those spots on it? The Dolly Varden. It's a beautiful, beautiful fish, and they love to eat salmon eggs. Good job, Luke.
Thanks.
All right, another Dolly Varden, part of the Char family. They love these salmon eggs. Really nice Dolly.
Yeah, that's actually really good.
Okay, they don't get really big like salmon, but they're like a, just like pan size that you catch on a trout. Great to eat, and yeah, those beautiful spots on them. All right, Luke just got another one. Really nice Dolly Varden Char.
It's really big too.
Yeah, that is a nice size for a Dolly for sure. They don't get very big. Way to go.
Yeah.
Marky, what are you doing?
I'm gutting a fish.
You're gutting a fish? Let me see it. Bring it here. Let me see those guts.
Just about to wash it.
Oh
so
yeah, it's looking
really
gross. So that's it for us at Pullen Pond, but we did pretty well. We got, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Dolly Varden Char. I'll give you a quick look right here. There they are, hand size. They're gutted, ready to take home. A couple of these are the ones that stay in the fresh. You can kind of tell by the color. And these ones that have kind of the crimson on, these ones are sea run dollies. So they go out to the ocean. They look really black on the heads there. And you can see they look a lot different than the dollies that actually stay in the fresh water. A little bit different, same fish, but the ocean water changes them. Pretty cool.